Hello student, in this video I am going to solve exercise 19.1 beginning from question number 1. So this is draw the axis and plot the following point on the graph paper. We have given total 12 points. We have to plot these points on the graph paper. Okay. So first I will draw the coordinate axis on the graph paper. Okay, so this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line which divide the four plane or graph of paper in four equal part. It's called quadrant. Okay, horizontal line is called x o x dash, means x coordinate axis. Horizontal line is called x coordinate axis or x axis, and vertical line is called y dash, means y coordinate or y axis. Okay, and I have also explained the distance along OX is positive. So this is 1 unit plus 2 unit plus 3 unit plus 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit. Okay, and 10 unit. So dear children, in your graph paper we have many numbers of square. Okay, so in your graph paper, take 10 small division, means 1 square as 1 unit. So 1 square equal to 1 unit, second square 2, 3, 4, and similarly along OX this is 1 square kg minus 1 unit minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, and in up direction this is plus 1. Okay, plus 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6, and below along y dash this is -1, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. Okay, so dear children, in your graph first draw the coordinate axis and mark 1 2 unit in 1 square. Okay, by taking 1 square on graph paper. So along OX the distance is positive and O dash is negative, and similarly along Y is positive and below the Y dash is negative. So this is the coordinate axis. We have marked 1 unit, negative unit and positive unit. Okay, so we want to represent the first point 1 comma 5. So in point 1 comma 5, the as we know the first position is x-axis, means x coordinate, and second position is y coordinate. Okay, this is x and this is y coordinate. So in 1 comma 5, x coordinate is 1 unit. So starting from point O, moving, or starting from point O, move 1 unit to right along OX. Okay, and then go up 5 unit along Y. So first move 1 unit along x-axis, 1 unit on right along x-axis, and go up, then go up 5 unit along y-axis. So this is the position of the point, first point, means say this is A 1 comma 5. Okay, now move to the second point. This is 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5, the coordinate 3 comma 5 lies in first quadrant. Okay, so here x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0, means x axis is 3 and y axis equal to 5. So move, first move 3 unit, starting from O, move 3 unit. This is 3 unit along, 3 unit right along x axis, then go up 5 unit. Okay, this is 5 unit, and go up 5 unit. This is 5 unit along y axis. So we have the point D, which coordinates become 5. Okay, in third point, this is minus 3 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4 lies in second quadrant. So here in 2 comma 4, x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is 4. So starting from point O, move left, move 2 unit to left, and go up 4 unit to along y axis. Okay, so this is the point C, whose coordinate is become 2 comma 4. Okay, and to locate point 4 comma 4, so similarly the point 4 comma 4 lies in second quadrant. In point 4 comma 4, the first x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 4. So move starting from O, move 4 unit along x axis and go up 4 unit along y axis. So this is the position of the point minus 4 comma 4. Okay, this is the position of the point 4 comma 4. Okay, the next point, this is 3 comma minus 6. The coordinates 3 comma minus 6 lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, so here x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is minus 6. So starting from move 3 unit right along x axis and go up, and then from move minus 6 unit along the y axis. Okay, so this is the next point A, B, C, D, E. Its coordinate is 3, -6. Okay. Next point is 2, -3. This is also lies in fourth quadrant. So here x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -3. So starting from home, move to right 2 unit along x axis and then move to -3 unit along y axis. So this is a position of the point 2, -3. 2, -3. Okay. Further move to the point 7. This is -1, 5. -1, 5 lies in third quadrant, where x coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is -5. X coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is -5. So starting from move left to 1 unit and then move -5 unit to y axis. So this is get the point G, and coordinate is -1, -5. Okay. Next point is -2, 7. This is also lies in third quadrant. X coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is -7. So this is the -2 and -7. X -2 -7. Okay. Now move to the next point. Means 9 part. This is 2, 5. 2, 5, where x coordinate is x axis, y coordinate is y axis, and this point is lies in first quadrant. So starting from O, move right 2 unit right along x axis and then move 5 unit along y axis. So this is the I point. I its coordinate is 2, 5. Okay. Now move to the 10 part. This is 5, 2. This is also lies in first quadrant. whose x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. So move starting from O, move 5 unit right along x axis and then 2 unit along y axis. So this is point J, whose coordinate is 5, 2. Okay. Now move to the 11th part. This is 3, -4. 3, -4 lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. Lies in fourth quadrant. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is -4. So starting from move right 3 unit along x axis. So this is 3 unit along x axis, then -4 unit along y axis. So this is a point K 3, -4. Okay. The last point is 3, 4. 3, 4 lies in second quadrant, where in 3, 4 x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is 4. So starting from move along left 3 unit along -3 unit left along x axis. So this is the -3 unit along x axis left to O along x axis and move, then move 4 unit along y axis up along y axis. So this is the position of the coordinate minus 3 comma 4. Okay, minus 3 comma 4. So dear children, in graph paper we have to represent all this point by in this way. Okay, here graph paper is not available, so I will plot this all point in a plain paper, in a plane by drawing 2 axis. Okay, by drawing axis or coordinate axis, but we will do this problem in your graph paper. Okay, so I hope this is clear how to represent the point in a graph paper. Okay, thank you.